Today, I'm going to demonstrate starting affiliate marketing. I've personally utilized these strategies to earn over $1 million online on various platforms. In this tutorial, I'll reveal ways to attract copious amounts of completely free traffic to your affiliate links, and naturally, how to transform that traffic into revenue. Okay, first step, prepare to be amazed as I unveil a wild tactic. I'll guide you on identifying Google keywords with absolutely no competition, similar to this example right here. This is a frequent query many people enter into Google daily, and look at this. There's absolutely no competition in results. This presents an immense chance for you all, because any content you publish online will appear in Google's search rankings if you incorporate this specific keyword into your material. This could be a blog post, an Instagram reel, a YouTube short. Any material you share online about this subject will secure a spot in Google's rankings and attract traffic, leading to sales. So your content will begin to appear on the first page, ensuring you receive continuous, free, unlimited traffic every day from individuals searching for your content on Google. Step 2 involves selecting your niche, and I have 3 niche recommendations for you. Generally, the method works best with niches featuring a wide array of model numbers and brand names. Take guitars, for instance, which is the first suggested niche. If you examine the range of Yamaha guitars, you'll find numerous models like the Yamaha FG423S, FG430, FG432S, FG433S, FG435, FG435A, and the list continues. Moreover, it's not just limited to Yamaha. There are also various Fender guitars, each with its own assortment of models such as Bronco, Bullet, Coronado, Esquire, Marauder, and more. Therefore, the second niche option would be cameras. For instance, examining Canon cameras reveals a plethora of models: EOS R7, EOS R50, EOS, PowerShot G7X, and the list continues endlessly. Canon offers dozens of camera variations. Similarly, Sony offers its own range of cameras, along with numerous other brands featuring their unique model names. Another niche where this method excels is microphones. Take Shure microphones, for instance. They boast a diverse selection of models including MV7, MV5C, Beta 52A, and more. Again, numerous models within just the Shure brand alone. Additionally, other microphone brands like Blue Yeti also offer an extensive variety of models. And you might be wondering, why do I need so many brands and models? Consider this scenario. Suppose you're in the market for a camera. What's your typical approach? Like millions of others, you likely turn to Google for research. You might begin by typing something like Canon EOS 5D Mark IV body. Now it's essential to heed this closely. You'll observe that Google is actively recommending the following to me, indicating it's a legitimate search term actively used daily. It's a prevalent query as it exists in Google's records, with Google offering forecasts that you might also be exploring this subject. Canon EOS 5D Mark IV body review ranks as a frequently searched phrase, and considering the vast array of Canon camera models, multiplying these inquiries by the various models researched daily results in tens or even hundreds of thousands examining different Sony items every day. Now, the process goes like this. Someone enters Canon EOS 5D Mark IV body review. They'll browse through some content, maybe click on a link, and then read the review. Next, this is what occurs. Someone reviews the various outcomes provided by Google and remarks, "All right, this seems intriguing. I'll explore this review," and they'll peruse the review. Should the content appeal to them, they may proceed to click on this link here labeled "See Price Now." Upon clicking the "See Price" link, they're redirected to Amazon, where they have the option to purchase this product from Amazon. For those new to affiliate marketing, this particular link is an encoded link designed to place a cookie on the visitor's computer. If the visitor proceeds to purchase this product from Amazon, the website's owner earns a commission. These are the commission percentages for the Amazon affiliate program. This indicates if a purchase on Amazon is made via your affiliate link, your earnings will be based on the product's category. For all other categories, the rate is 4%, while for certain categories, it varies between 3% and 5%. For the website owner, what does this entail? When a visitor arrives at this site, clicks on See Price, and purchases an item on Amazon for $749, The site's owner earns a commission calculated as $749 times 0.04%. This results in a $29.96 commission, achieved passively simply by hosting this content online, given its minimal competition. It ranks on the first page, attracting substantial traffic. Now, certainly the proprietor of this website, thepreview.com, isn't limited to merely this single article on Canon EOS 5D Mark IV body. Over the years, they've expanded their site to encompass hundreds, perhaps even thousands of pages, with each page attracting traffic daily and generating sales for the website's owner. The critical question is, how does Google determine who makes it to page 1? Competition level is a key factor, and to gauge competition, it's recommended to use the search phrase, all in title semicolon, followed by your target keywords. For instance, Canon EOS 5D Mark IV body review. Currently, there are roughly 30 entries with Canon EOS 5D Mark IV body in their title. The objective with this approach is to identify keywords and products with minimal competition, ideally with only 5 to 10 sites contending for that term. Finding a niche with no competitors gives you a great shot at landing on page 1, capturing review traffic, and driving sales through your affiliate link. Truly, such opportunities abound. This is the reason I mentioned earlier that you should seek out a niche with numerous models. Consider Shure, a highly recognized microphone brand. They produce a model named 55 SA Series EU. When we assess the competition for it, let's search Shure 55 SA Series A review. You'll find merely 4 websites globally targeting this specific search term. Hence, if you post a review on Rode 55, you become just the 5th entity on the entire internet focusing on and discussing this product. As a result, your chances of securing a page 1 ranking and attracting traffic are exceptionally high. Another microphone brand, Shure, produces a vast array of mic types. I'm about to reveal something astonishing. They have a model called Shure MVO 3, and guess what? Not a single site has reviewed this microphone. There's no YouTube video, no Instagram reel, absolutely nothing. No content regarding a Shure MVO 3 review exists, and there are thousands of such keywords with no competition whatsoever. I hope you grasp the opportunity here. I hope you're energized. This has been my approach. I've been reviewing products like these, and it's something I'm eager to share with you all. Now we advance to step 4, focusing on uncovering a wealth of untapped keywords. The initial approach involves one of my top tools, SEMrush. SEMrush eases the task by enabling you to select the keyword magic tool on the left side, input your desired keywords, and produce lists of keywords. Considering a niche such as microphones, I would type in all brands of microphones to generate a list featuring around 30 manufacturers, ranging from IAI to Shure, Sony, and beyond. Utilizing this list, I can craft keyword compilations in SEMrush. Here's the procedure. Beginning with IAI, I input IAI review. Upon searching, SEMrush will unveil every search phrase people employ alongside IAI and review, covering a range of models. For example, I may uncover keywords such as IAI review, IAI Rode microphone review, amassing a total of 227 keywords. To evaluate the competition for each, I apply the all-in-title technique, substituting the search term with something like IAI Rode MT1 Signature Series Review. Should the outcome indicate no competition, it earmarks another keyword for my selection list. This routine is replicated for every IAI model prior to transitioning to additional brands such as Rode, Shure, Akai, and beyond. A second approach involves visiting the manufacturer's websites directly, like Rode, and examining each model individually. For example, when concentrating on Shure microphones, I'd look up Shure MVO 3 review and also attempt the search omitting spaces. In the 5th phase, you begin crafting the actual content. If you lack expertise in microphones, there are 2 strategies to tackle this. Initially, learn by studying and developing an interest in the topic. Or, employ ChatGPT by issuing a directive, such as compose a blog post about followed by the keyword. For instance, Rode 55 review. ChatGPT will produce a piece for you, but it's recommended to paraphrase it in your own vernacular prior to posting on your site. This promotes uniqueness, despite the general acceptance of ad-created content on the internet. Google's algorithm might evolve over time, altering its content preferences. To adjust, I would recast this material in my own terminology. Consequently, Your content becomes customized to a keyword facing little to no competition. Thus, upon publishing the content and in the event, someone looks up Rodent 55 review, your odds of securing a spot on page 1 are significantly high. Progressing to step 6, what's the strategy for monetizing this keyword and content? Verify the microphone's availability on Amazon. Conduct a search for Rodent 55, and indeed, it becomes apparent that Rodent 55 microphones are listed for sale on Amazon. This enables you to direct your traffic to Amazon, where any transactions completed via your referral link will generate commission earnings for you. Begin by entering Join Amazon Affiliate Program into a search engine. Locate a link labeled Amazon.com Associate Central and proceed with registration. Submit your details, and you're likely to receive immediate approval. After becoming a member, you gain access to a unique affiliate link for any Amazon product, akin to the example on this site. Utilize this link to endorse products within your blog content. You now possess your keywords, a technique to identify them, and a strategy for content creation. The subsequent action is to establish a website and begin disseminating that content on it. I will make a deep step-by-step tutorial for you in my next video. Meanwhile, if you are enjoying this great content, I recommend you to watch my latest video called How to Make $20,000 with a Free Sales Funnel, 2024 Beginner's Guide. See you there. Before you go, remember to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content like this.